Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the land of grills. And we truly is the land of grills. And you're looking, if you haven't watched in a couple days, you're saying, what's that green thing over there, Tom? Well, folks, Tom Horseman YouTube, one of the last videos I did featured this 55-year-old Tonka truck. Yeah, you heard me right, made by Tonka. They used to make grills back in the 60s, 1960s. Just as far as I can tell, it's mid 1960s, but it's pretty cool. But that's not what we're cooking on today. In fact, right next to it is the Blackstone. Yeah, we've got a Blackstone Tailgater, and this one we did a whole bunch of mods to. We built that custom cover, put wheels on it so we could use it here at home, so you don't have to pick it up, and then raised it up a little bit, and did some wind guards to it also. And today, super simple, folks. Why don't you go take a look at what we're doing? But I'll tell you what, we're just going to do something simple tonight, and in the land of grills. Keep on watching. All right, folks, getting our taters ready. You can see there are about that, where are you? Oh, there you are. They're about a little over 1/8 inch thick. I'm using this Pampered Chef, I call them a guillotine. I know that's not what they're called. But this one, what I like about it is it's got a little notch there and it fits over stainless steel bowl real nice. And then I've got my safety device here, so I don't want to go to the emergency room today. And this thing works just awesome. And soak these in some water, get them on the griddle. All right, getting the taters ready to go on to the griddle, onto the Blackstone. We've got a little bit of Zang stir fry oil. Like I said, we soaked those for about an hour. Had a little sea salt in there too. And then Morton's Nature Seasoning, folks. And this is super simple. Remember, if I can do it, and one comes out, that's okay. And you just toss it up like that. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. All right, want to give you a look at the ham steak before I put it on. It's caught my eye at the store today because it was on sale for $5. And this is a Prestige center line smoked ham. And oh man, I'll tell you what, that's about 3/4 of an inch thick. Oh, I'm so hungry for ham. I'll tell you what. And there's our taters ready to go. Let's get them on the Blackstone. All right, down at the Blackstone, got this just about a year ago. And I bought it for one reason. I was going camping this summer and I wanted something for that. And I just keep on using it. The fact that I put the wheels on it made it a little bit more portable helps out. It's got this grill box on the cast iron grill box on the other side. And then our griddle top is pretty cool. I've done pancakes on there, whole bunch of stuff on there. And we're just gonna get our taters. You can see it's plenty hot, so give you a couple look-sees as we proceed. All right, folks, it didn't take more than about 7 minutes. And you can see our taters, yeah, look at that, browning up real nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover them just to get that final cook into them. I've got my my Blackstone cover here. I'm gonna put a little bit of moisture in there. See that? It'll be cooked up really nice and fast, folks. Next, you'll see ham steak going on. Yeah, I know it's out of sequence. Oh man, but there's those taters. Gonna take those off, and then ham steak's going on next. Now it's gonna go on. All right, let's get the ham steak on here. Oh man. Give you a look, see. All right, folks, about 2.5 minutes in. Let's see how our ham steak is doing here. Oh man, that looks mighty nice. So we're gonna give it about 2.5 minutes to the other side. Give you a look, see, once it's plated up. Ham steak and taters, I'll tell you what. The taters are awesome. The ham steak. Mouth is watering. Oh man. Talk about a good meal. Folks, if you haven't tried ham steak, some taters, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thank you.